因为你刚才在
重
record 呀。
新来过，重新来过。Okay, so this part is how you are going to see those things in AMC10 and also AP.
嗯
OK，在 AP 和 AMC10 里面都会考到这两个东西。OK，那我们今天就一起来学一下。So，哎，怎么不动了？嗯，what the？那怎么回事？那鼠标不动了，重新来过。你能看到我吗？
能看到你，嗯，能
那
看到。
不是我这个为什么一动不动呢？
在动啊。
不是不能翻到第二页？你看，
try keyboard 呢？
哦，try keyboard，对，也不行。嗯
嗯，
那这个东西为什么在动来动去？嗯为什么？疯了！等一下，嗯，
this is a 10。那个哦，okay，那是 5 to the power of 7。
嗯哼，
25乘25乘以25再乘以5。What is 25 to the power of 3？
啊，这个等于10啊！来，屁股屁股，
哦，不是，我那个是做了。如果这个，来，我再读。哦，这是2啊，
对啊，
我读成5了，我猜，嗯，20，5乘5，5乘5到底是25乘2，我先做一个啊。212，25是625。625乘以5。52123133，125哦，那就是625，还有除以5。因为
嗯
还要加上那个，你等一下。
我不知道啊！你再做不出来，我要冲到 L 来打你屁股了啊！
来，不，来，我只说 different 吗？还是直接扫？因为
你两个答案告诉我就行了，你就告诉我两个答案。
第一个625再加上25，650除以5，130。
好，你说好了 final answer 什么130？final answer give me。
好，
啊，
我
你告
怎么能
诉我答案是什么？你就偏啊？那你后面前这个容易，这个等于什么？
啊？这个你等我一下，我找了。You know what's the perfect time? 5
快点！
5 to the power of 7 divided by 5 to the power of 6. What is that? I don't know. I seriously don't know what 5 to the power of 6 is. 15625，是15625吗？
你两道题都给我做好，你不要一道一道问我，你就这道题目做好，这道题目做好，那么多废话，快点！
下面那个15625。
下面那个不用做出来的，是 five the power seven over pi five，right？So it's
哦，
pi。
你不让我做出来啊？
上
还你让我
面那道要
算出来呢？
你让美行15625，好，
哦，
那上面那道，关键是上面那道，你不是上面那道，
还得让我乘呢，我一直在乘呢。
嗯，
然后那个就是25乘25，625再乘以，不是625再乘以5，3125
嗯哼。
加上
哎呀，所以你
加上
看我为什么要让你做这个题？来，stop，OK？So why I ask you to do this question? So I know this part 你掌握的不好。你看好啊，So Dora，这个题目是很简单的，OK？但是你要看
嗯
啊，在这个题目里面， this one divided by this one。如果你把它写成横式啊，就是5的5次方加上5的平方除以5。Do you understand? So this one is like what? 是5的5次方除以5变成5的4次方，加上5的2次方除以5加上5，知道吧？ So when you see the fraction, you have to see something like that. It's always this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. Get it? Then
OK
quicker, yeah. So because
OK，懂了。
懂了吗？因为这两个，因为5的4次方我们背得出来的嘛，525嘛，所以加上5，所以等于630，就很快，你知道吧
嗯
？Get it? So 如果你把它乘出来，就已经比别人慢很多了。所以我就跟你说，这个数学竞赛就都是在一些小点上面。OK，好，我们很快啊，这些题目8道题目，给你1分钟时间全部做出来。呀，你看我怎么样啊？3的4次方，那3的4次方你就两个做，先3乘以3，3乘以3，是不是得要9981？对，2的5次方乘以2的2次方就2的7次方，然后2的负3、5、负1，那就是负3加5减1，所以一共是5的1次方，which is 5。
哦，这些不需要 solve，就直接写就行。
对对对。
OK OK，我还你让我一个一个乘啊。就下着。plus minus one three five five three five two fourteen。三三四。你要 simplify 到什么程度的呀？
你像2的7次方，你放着也可以，你把它算出来可以。然后就是对啊，你就应该这个就2的5，这个应该都能算出来答案。
哦，不错。就是 negatives，我直接留在 negatives 行吗？还是你让我换 sign？
这个直接你看4的3次方除以4，那不就是4的平方吗？所以就等于16啊，对不对？说很快，对啊，你就这样。
我是那个第6道题，我能直接说 three negative one 这里，three negative five 吗？
这个2的哪道题？This one？
对，
这个那你看上面是不是3的平方？下面是不是3的4次方？是3的平方除以3的3次方是1 over 3。Or you can say 3 negative 1。
对，three negative one。应该完事儿。I think I'm done。
好，这个第5题答案是什么？
第五题，第
嗯哼，
五题，第五题是 two to the power of five。
那等于什么？
哦，你要说具体的话，
对啊，
448，不是16乘
啊
2，16乘2，不是我刚刚16乘2等于42。
，OK。我跟你讲啊，你 Dora，你2的到10次方都要给我背出来的，2的1次方到2的10次方，然后3的1次方到3的5次方，然后5的1次方到5的5次方都要背下来啊，这必须要背的。嗯。
嗯，
OK，好，第7题呢？
第7题，2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2。No, 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2。
你这不 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 2，那不就是4乘以9吗？不就是36吗？
对啊，
嗯哼。
然后下一个我是5 times 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of negative 1，也就是 5乘以4乘以1/3，10乘以1/3。
那这个5等于5了，对不对？那2呢，变成平方，变成4了，然后乘以1/3，那就是20/3。
对。
OK，get it？
对。
OK，好，下面一个。
Next。这个换算出来吗？还是？
对啊，这个不用，你就直接告诉我答案就行了。3的，你用嘴巴说就行了。我们
3 to the power of 10 and 4 to the power of 6.
So this one, how do we do it? You can see it's 4, right? 2 to the power -6 times -2. Get it? So it's 2 to the -12, +12. Because this is 4. Oh, you can do 4. Yeah, you can do 4 to the power 6, but also 4 to the power 2 to the power 12 as well. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, this one. What is the differences between 2 to the power 3, 4 and 2 to the power 3 and power 4?
那一个是先就 2 to the power 3，然后再 2 to the power 3，再乘以 yeah， 再乘以2 to the power 3 again 3 more times。另外一个就是一起弄，就是 order of operation。
OK，这个是什么？是 2 to the，哎呀，这个 2，哎呀，这个笔怎么这样？哎，我今天的这个电脑疯了。2 to the power 3, 4是 equals 2 to the power 81. And 2 to the power 3, 4 equals 2 to the power 12. Get it? Get it?
哇
OK，好，下面一题 OK，我们这个很快的过一下啊。Yeah. So you see 5 to the 2 the square, so square root equals 5.
哦，哎，
这个懂了吗？
懂了。
OK，好。Which two integer is？哎呀，这个不要做了，这个上次已经学过了。我们要快点看到下面这个。OK，好。Dora, this is a part that I need you to focus, really focus, okay? So 8 to the power 5 over 3是没有办法做的，对不对？ But if you turn 8 into 2, 3, and 5, 3, and then you know the answer is 2 to the power 5. Do you understand?
Yeah. Okay.
明白吗？好，那2、3、4自己做一下。
Square root. Two. And six.
看老师怎么做的啊？Square root 是什么东西？
对，我第一个弄了，但是我第三个有一点 confused。就 square root 就是，比如说2乘2就等于4嘛，然后 four square root 就是 opposite of squaring 嘛。
对啊，那你看这个 8是不是等于2的3次方，对不对？ 那这边是不是有个 square root？那是不是3 over 2？那不就是 2 over 3吗？But
Yeah, I
3
got
so 2 to the power 1. So the answer is 2.
two.
Get
那
it?
我的问题就是这里，
哪一部分？这个啊，这个一样啊。So 你就记得你把它全部换成最小的81 equals what? 81 equals 3
还
to
是
the
three
power
to the
4.
power four 呀
Yeah, so but here is 3 to the power 4 negative 3 啊. So it's 3 to the power negative 12, right?
？Yeah.
然后这边有 square root 4, not divided by 4. So the answer is 3 to the power negative 3.
哦，square root 就是那样子弄的。
嗯哼哼，这个没学过。
哦，没有。
嗯哼，
OK，嗯嗯，那是26还是28？不懂。
呃，1啊，这个是3。
哦，对
对
哦，
不起，对不起，对不起，我的字写错。
是是，
It's 3, it's 3.
嗯，噔，嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟嘟，哦，23是什么意思？嗯，哦，是第四个怎么弄啊
一样啊。So 1 over 8 equals what?
？1 over
Equals
8，
2 to the power negative 3.
yeah，
OK，好了，那就一样啊。So 2 over 3. So equals 2 to the power negative 2.
哦，
Negative 3 times
嗯
2 over 3 equals 2 to the.
嗯，好的好的，哦，蹲，
OK，会了吗？好，这个1、2、3、4，马上再做一遍，都是我教你的，对不对？现在马上做一遍，现在效果最好。对，
啊，
好了吗？会了吗？
嗯，
都会啦。不能到时候我一走你又忘了啊。Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? 哇，为什么这么丑？这个，哎，我以前的字可真的写的真乱呀。Okay, so let's take
就
a look at this one, okay? So this one is a harder one. So first of all, Dora, you have to understand, okay, if you want to combine something with exponent calculation, you have to understand the base. If it is not the same, you cannot do anything at all, right? So
嗯
for this question, first, we're going to deal with the 3 because they have the basic one. But for this one, I'm going to change 4 to 2 because then we have the same base of 2. Understand? So how
嗯
to do the 3 first? So 3 is 3 over 2 divided by 3, and 1 over 2 is obviously 3. 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 equals 3. So it's blah, blah, blah times 3. So this one is gone. Okay, so
嗯
you have to understand it's impossible that you do some of the maths directly, but you can just what? put them into part. You separate them into two parts. And you deal with the easier part first, then you deal with the harder one. Okay? For this harder one, Dora, I want you to take a look at this one. Is 2 to the power 4 over 3. And, no, not right. Yeah, yes, 2 to 4 out, 2 over 3. So where do we get it? So 4 to the 2 over 3 power equals 2 squared 2 over 3. Did you get it?
No.
Yeah, so now it's 2 to the 2 times 2 over 3 equals 2 to the 4 over 3. Get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so if you, so if you like this one, so we're going to have this one. So this one is 2 to the power 4 over 3 times 2 to the power 1 over 6 divided by 2 to the power negative half. So basically it's 2 to the power 4 over 3 plus 1 over 6 and minus negative 1 over 2. So minus negative is just a plus. So the answer is 2 to the power 6, 8 plus 1 plus 3. So answer is 2 to the power 12 over 6 times 3 equals 2 to the power 2 times 3 equals 4 times 3 equals 12. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to quickly just to remove everything. I'll give you 1 minute or two to redo it.做好了吗？
等下我很快就做好了。嗯嗯
Understood?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so let's move forward, okay? So now let's take a look at this one. So again, when you find out you cannot directly do anything, so Dora, the best way is just decreasing the 9 into what? 9 equals what?
3 times 2 power 2.
Equals 3 square, right? Very good. And 3 over 2. So equals 3 to the power
4 or 3. 3.
3 to the power 3, right? Okay, equals 27.
27.
Okay, hot. Next one, number 2 and number 3.
Number 2. 3 4 5 9 不是 so 3 mirror this thing. 2 will be 3 to power 4. Yeah, 3 to power 4. So power 3 divided by 2. But then when you get it out, so it's 3 to the power 4 to the power of 3 divided by 2 and then divide by 3 again, right?
Okay, so remember this one, okay? Dora, if you see this one, if it is 3, then just something, you have whatever is over 3. If there here is square root, so it's over 2. So you see, 5 and square root equals 5 and 1 over 2. Okay, so if 5 power 3 and square root equals 5, 3 over 2. This one's here, and this one is just to here. So because the square root is actually 2, right? So if it is 5 power 3 over 5, so it's square like fifth, whatever. So it's 5 to the power 3 over 5. Understand?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Um, alright. Not one, three, 3 to the power 2. Divide by. Wait. Let me write something. So this would be 3 to the power 4. And then divide by 2 divided by 3. Like that.
So this one, you know, is 3 to the power 4, right? Very good. So remember, so if it is 3 to the power 4, square root 3 equals what? Equals 3 to the power 3 over 4, right? Sorry, 4 over 3, right? 4
Yeah.
right? And you just do the rest of them, so 2 over 3. So it's equals 3, and 4 over 3 times 3 over 2. So equals 3 squared.
Okay. Next, 4, 8, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6 to the 2 to the power 6. The power negative 4 divided by 3. Um, is this 2 negative 8?
Let's see. So this one's 2 to the power 8, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 64. No.
No,
2
it's
to
2
the
to the
power
power
6.
6.
2 to the power 6, yes. So negative 4 over 3, so equals 2 to the power negative 8. Yes, you're right.
Mm-hmm. Well done.
Get it?
Yay.
Okay. So let's take a look at this one. So again, if this one is a whole number, so for instance, x power 3 and 5 equals x power 5, 3 over 5, correct? But here is not x, it's what?
It's 100.
Yeah.
Put it into.
No,
No,
it's
it's not
10 to the
100.
power
It's 100,000. No, it's
100,000, yes, but it's 10 to the power what?
that's 10 to the power
1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
10 to the power 5. Yes, 10 to the power 5 and 3 and 5. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 10 to the power
Power
15
3.
over 5 equals 10 to the power 3 equals 1,000.
Ding.
Get it?
Yep.
Okay, number 5.
2 over 2 over 3 over 2. The power of negative 3 over 2. Um, hmm.
两个做好了告诉老师啊。
嗯嗯嗯嗯我4和6答出来，但是5没有答出来。
OK，那我们来看看5怎么做。So 4/9 obviously equals 2 to the square and 9 3 to the square. Do you get it?
Yeah,
So also equals 2/3 squared. Did you get it?
yeah.
Then you just times -3/2 because it's outside. So equals 2/3 times -3. So equals 8/27 -1 equals 27/8.
OK，
看一下，那下面一题呢？下面一题对了，
嗯，
下面一题等于多少？
上面还是下面答的呢？我上面做了，所以下面我是 -3/4。
嗯哼。So this one's 1/2 power 4, right? But
嗯
you can also write it as 2 to the -4. Do you understand?
嗯
Okay, so if it is 2 to the -4, so power -3 equals what? 2 to the power 12, right?
嗯，
Then this one's 4, so it's over 4. So the answer is 2 to the power 3 equals 8.
哦，好的，
知道吗？
嗯
哎呀，又不行。Okay. So I want to ask you, what is the differences between x squared equals 9 and find the value of x and x equals square root of 9? What is the differences between these? Are they the same?
嗯嗯嗯
Yeah，
嗯，
它们是一样
那
的吗？是一样的吗？是一样的吗？
是一样的，是一样的。
不是一样。
不，
Okay, so
看
see why it's not the same because x squared equals 9. X equals positive or -3.
我
Correct?
positive
But x
negative。
equals square root 9. X must equals 3. So there's no positive there.
嗯，square root 不能是 -3吗？
对了，square root 不能是 square root 永远是个 positive number. If you want the square root, so it's negative square root 9 equals -3.
嗯
Get it?
嗯，
Mm-hmm.
好的好的好的。
What is the differences between -1/2 and -1/2?
Is it order of operations again?
No, this one is what? It's -1 half, right? 那你来看看 -1 能不能 half 啊 No, this one is no answer. And
嗯
因为在 square root 里面，这个数必须是 positive，对不对？但是 -1/2 就可以了，因为是 one square root equals 1. So this one, the answer is -1.
嗯。
Mhm.
So the second one would be like this, right?
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. But, Dora, when you could have the square root is what? Square cube 可以的，因为三次方就可以。如果这里是个 odd number，那你就可以里面是负数。如果这里是偶数就不可以。Understand?
Wait, and this one? Wait, wait. For one, do you want me to like calculate which one it is?
哦，这个负2的5次方等于多少？是不是等于负的32？ Right, so the next one, -1/8 and square root 3 equals what? Equals -2 to the power -3 and 1/3. Get it? Okay. So equals -2, -1, equals -1/2. Dora，你一定要看清楚啊。1/8可以写成8-1 equals 8-3 equal sorry 8-1 2-3. What I'm doing.
Okay. Negative 3 to the power 3 or 3 2 feels like this.
Hmm? You're talking about which question?
Oh, the last one.
So you need to study the 243 first.
Yeah.
So 243 equals what? Let's just do this. So 243 divided by 3 equals 81, divided by 3 equals 27, divided by 3 equals 9, divided by 3 equals 3. So do you understand why, Dora? I want you to memorize all the like 3 to the power all the way to 5 or 6. So because you didn't memorize it, so you need to do this. But me, because I already memorized it, I know it's 3 to the power 5. Get it?
Yeah,
X to the 5/3. So that means what? So if x equals 3, obviously it's impossible, right? So let's see. So how do we make x into, so we're doing this. So we want to make x power 1, so it's 3/5, right? So this one is also 3/5. You get it? So
Yeah.
both of them doing the same thing. So x equals 3 to the power 3, so x equals 27.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, I got it.
OK，会了吗？前面第一这题 this one equals what, Dora?
No, the other one, 1/9. This one.
1/9. So let's see. So negative 3 to the power 3 and negative 2/3, right? So this one equals what? Equals negative 3 to the power. No, this one because it's already squared, so it's no negative. 来，Dora，来，
哦，
跟你说一件事情啊，这个题目要讲一讲。X equals negative 27 and negative 2/3，对不对？好，你要是把它写出来，这个题目就不要把它写成这个格式了，是不是 negative 27 squared and cube root and 1/? Get it? So if you take a look at this one, you see negative 27, if it is squared, 还有没有 negative 了？ No negative.
No.
Yeah, so the answer is 27 squared. Okay, blah, blah, blah. But I know the reason I cannot do it directly is because, 1 second, sorry. So you can see 27 equals 3 to the power 3, right? 3 to the power 3 squared. So do you understand, Dora? When you see for this one, 它这个地方如果出现 square，那后面这个 negative 就没有了。 如果这边是一个 3/5, the negative still there. Because when you see the power of odd number, the negative still there. If you power of even number, the negative just gone. Correct? Okay, so it's 3 to the power 3 squared and square root 3, 对不对？那你就知道这两个就没了嘛，对不对？所以是 9 and 1/9. It's right, but it's not negative, it's positive.
Mm-hmm.
哎，我们家来了修院子的人，那个他们两个人乱死了，他们两个不行了，看到陌生人不行了，都是坏人啊，对，他们都是坏人，都是坏人啊。我们家有2只狗，还是会开门的，Dora。Dora，你懂了吗？这个题
懂了。
？OK，好，那我们来看看这道，你看 x 的3次方等于64，x 只能等于4，因为它是 positive 的。但是 x 的6次方等于64，x 可以等于 positive or negative too. Do you understand this part?
Yeah.
嗯哼。
OK。然后我第二道题是 -1/2，然后这个是 -32，那是。剩下都弄。
OK，为什么这里是 positive and negative? Because this one is a what? It's an even power. Get it? So when you see x power 3 equals -64, so x equals -4. X power 3 equals 64, so x equals 4. But if x power 6 equals -64, this is a wrong answer. 6 power 6 equals 64, so x equals negative or positive 2. Understand?
Yeah。下一个我答。
OK，
我好像做的方式跟你不一样。
那你要记得哦。OK。
Oh my god.
Okay, so that's the same thing. I'm going to just move forward. Yeah, so when you have the bigger number that like that, so not necessarily all the numbers you can just simplify to make them the whole number. Do you understand, Dora? Sometimes it's not like that. For instance, like this 96. This 96 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So every single, so 2 and 2, they can get out 4, but this 2 times 3, there's no company, right? So it's 4 and the square root 6, understand? So how do we do this? Is just putting them into the paired, like you have 4 times 4. So every single thing you have a pair, you get out 1, right? But whatever the thing you cannot pair them, you stay in the square root sign.
But wouldn't that be 2 square root 6 since we're square rooting it? Oh, never mind. 我刚刚
Understand?
脑子不好使，我刚脑子不好使。Never mind, it's good.
明白了吗？
明白。
OK，那这个 square root 8也是一样的，对不对？它等于2乘以2乘以2，对不对？那两个一样的可以出来一个，所以是2 square root 2，correct？
correct.
OK，好，我们下面看这个。OK，so when the number is smaller, Dora, it's always easier. When the number gets bigger, how we do it? It's always what? If I， 你看我啊，我因为做很多计算题，所以我知道12 times 12 times 10。因为你144是不是等于12乘以12？那我再乘以1。
对。
So that's why the answer is 12 and square root 10.
Yeah.
Correct?
Right.
Okay, so next one. So because I know 14, it's equals what? Equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Why I know this? Because 144 equals 12 times 12. 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3，对不对？所以我就是 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 over 125. I know it's even easier. 5 times 5 times 5. But Dora, this time we're square root 3. Okay, there's square cube. So how do we do it? Every single 3 we get a 1. Every single 3 we get a 1. So it's 2 over 5 and the square root 18 cube.
嗯哼，嗯哼，好，我
Okay,
翻
so last one. 这个看起来很可怕，对不对？怎么办？ So Dora, just one by one, divided by 2. So 3, 4, 5, 6, divided by 2, 17, 28, divided by 2. Yes, I know. 就只能一个一个做。
嗯
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 to the power 8 times 3 to the power 3. And I want 1 over 6 then. Okay, so 2 to the power, so each of them 1 over 6. So it's 2 to the power 8 over 6 times 3 to the power 3 over 6 equals 2 to the power 4 over 3 times 3 to the over half.
哎，好的，嗯
Okay, 明白了吗？Dor?
嗯
Okay, so we're moving forward, okay? So last one. So this is the thing, okay? Why the
嗯
numbers just are missing? Huh. So I'm going to give you this one is 3, and this one is, oh, this one, oh, no, you know what? 就做这3个题好了，后面那个回家做好了哦。I know you're gonna hate me. Yes, very good. This one. So 128 square root 3, cube root.
那个
128 cube root.
120 is 100 times 3. No, that's wrong. Okay. 20. No, that's not wrong. That's wrong. Oh, no, no. It's 80. Yeah, it's 2. 这是20吗？这三个
128没有啊，不是，我这是写个等，这个不用，没有20吗？让我想想啊。So 16 equals 2 to the power 4 times 10 to the power 2. No, it's not 20. It cannot be 20. So it's this one and 1 over 4. Right? So it's 2 to the power 4 times 1 over 4 times 10 to the 2 times 1 over 4 equals 2 times 10 1 over 2. 所以应该是写出来的话，应该是2的根号10。是这样 Get it? 128做出来了吗？
我乘以22就是4，我尝试
这个等于2的7次方 ，OK？ 对呀，2的7次方。
你这不是3次方吗？
不用啊，1 over 3啊，那就是2的7 over 3就好了。
哦
Get it?
，OK，
对啊，对啊，有些你可以算，有些不能算，就让它放在那里好，明白吗？
OK，
OK，我再教你一下2的7/3是不是又等于2的2 and 1/3啊？所以你可以把
嗯，
它分开，所以等于4 and 2 cube root，所以
哦，
这样可以写成这样，
哦，好的，好的，
懂了吗？
懂了。
嗯哼，OK，那我们现在这样，然后我等一下会把作业发给你妈妈，然后那个叫什么，我原来就说发给她，她说不用发给她，然后我们。